Alright, so a while back I broke my door handle of my PX2 2015 Ford Ranger XLT, and I've been just making do with winding my window down, open it from the outside, winding my window back up, closing the door. But I thought I'd give it a go and install the door handle myself. What I didn't realize is that you got to take the whole door trim off. So here we go. Alright, before we get started, there's a couple of things that you will need. You need a flathead screwdriver, thin one, or a plastic door trim remover. You will also need a TXB020 head to take a couple of the screws out, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Also, you'll need a little bit of elbow grease to take the door trims off. Now this is just replacing the handle only, so you will not have to use the heat gun or a hairdryer to take it off, as in other videos that I've seen on YouTube. Alright, shall we get into it? Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I need to take this speaker cover off. There we go. Unplug that. Alright, now this trim, and then you've got to grab under it, pull it, and there you go. Put that aside. Now I don't know if you can see this TXB020 head in focus, but alright, and the other one. Okay, let's change it to a Phillips head. One. Two. Alright, so let's get our flathead screwdriver, or plastic door trim remover. Just ease it in, click it out, get our TXB020, take that out. Alright, now once all the screws are out, we just have to get our fingers underneath and just slowly pry it open. Bit of elbow grease. Alright, now what we do is take out the window loom. That's it, and we're free. Alright. Alright, so here's the door trim. It's where the handle should be. Now there is a pin just for the handle that is in here. I don't know if you can see it from there, but there's a bit of plastic covering it to hold the pin in place. So what you need to do is push that plastic down, and then the pin can come out. Let's give it a go. There we go, got the pin out. Don't lose the spring. There's a pin and the spring. Alright, now let's open up the new door handle, which I got from Ford. Comes with a pin. Alright, now when you buy the door handle, you got to check there are two different colors that are very, very similar. I made the mistake. They said, no, there's only one color. I bought it. It wasn't. Went back. They had the other color. There's the pin, the new pin. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the other pin, but if you're changing it, might as well just use the new pin. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but that's the part number for 2015 PX2 Ford Ranger XLT. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but let's try and put it in. Take the pin out. Alright, now with the spring, you can line it up to sit in the seat. So there's no way you can stuff it up, hopefully. Alright, let's give it a go. Here we go. Alright. There you go. Alright, time to put the door trim back on. Alright, what you need to do is line that up. So what you need to do is line this up with this. Alright. Let's have a look. Alright, that clicks in like that. Alright, so there is a little clip in there that you need to click in so it holds the cable in place. Alright. There you go, got that loom in. There we go. Alright. So, give it a go. Alright. Seems good. Alright. Push. Trim back into place. Let's try it out. Oh, like I bought one. Alright, now to put all the trims back on. And the speaker. There you go. Click that in. And give it a tap. Clicks in. Alright. Screw it back in. There you go. Go to the flathead with the bottom 2 screws. Alright, final 2 screws. Alright, time to put the handle trim back on. Alright, line them up. Give it a tap. There we go. And it's all done. Alright, let's give this bad boy a go. Oh, like I bought one. Alright. And the electrics work. Window up. Alright. Alright, now when you take the door trim off and you disconnect the wiring loom for the window winder, it will reset the automatic up and down, and so it won't go automatically up and down. This will also happen if you disconnect the start battery. Now what you need to do is this. Alright, obviously you need the ignition on. Make sure the window's all the way up, and you bring it down for about 10 seconds or until you hear it click. So we can hear the click. Alright, and then all the way up for about 10 seconds or until you hear the click. There we go. And then it should work. Automatic down, automatic up. That's it. Simple.
Simples.